Hello friends, I'm Muskan. I hope you all are doing well. In this tutorial, we will learn to install Typescript on Windows, Ubuntu and Mac. First, we will check for Windows. For install Node in Windows, we will go to the nodejs official website. And from here, you can download Node for Windows. Currently, I will not download it because I will download for Mac. So I'm cancelling it. And that's it. You just have to download from here and install it in your system. Now let's see for Ubuntu. In Ubuntu you have to follow some steps. So first you have to update apt with sudo, and then you have to install node with following command. Once you have node installed, you have to check its version by typing node-v. And to check the version of npm, you have to type npm-v. Now let's check for Mac. In Mac, you have to install with brew. Homebrew is a package manager for Mac. It helps to easily install and uninstall softwares on Mac. So if you have Homebrew installed on your system, you can simply use it to install any packages. So let's just install Node with brew. I have already installed Node in my system, so it is showing like this. But if you will run this and if you don't have Node, then it will download some packages. So once you have Node installed, you can check its version. So I will check its version with node-v. And to check the version of npm, I will use npm-v. Now we have Node and npm installed on our system, so time to install Typescript with npm. We will install Typescript globally. You may have to use sudo if you don't have any permission. So I will use command with sudo. And it is asking for password. It's installed. So once you have Typescript installed, we have to check the version with tsc-v. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like my work, please do like, share and subscribe.